Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the half up half down with the crochet curly hair. I couldn't find a Jamaican bounce, so I went and got some I think it's Zury's 20-inch Kenya curly. I braided the back of my hair into 4 braids, and I haven't slicked the top down, so now that's exactly what I'm about to do. So, you're gonna need a couple things for this, not just, too much, just the simples. A spray bottle with some water. If you have 4C hair, this kind of helps, detangle it and stuff like that. And from here, I'm just gonna detangle with the big wide brush that I have. I got this brush from Forever 21 like a couple years ago, and just let me tell you, I still have it, and baby, look, it still does wonders. But from here, I'm going to use some SHINE&JAM, the extra hold. I really like this for my hair. It does give it moisture and shine, and also sticks very good. I'm also going to use the Got To Be Glue spiking glue. At the end, after I did this, I noticed that I really don't like this for my edges. I wish I would have tried the black one for my edges this time instead of that one, but hey, I know next time. Also, I'm going to be using some olive oil, a brush, and a scrunchie. The olive oil moisturizer is just to moisturize my hair, being the fact that it's going to be in the ponytail. That way, I don't get any breakage and stuff like that. Okay, so here you're just going to get some SHINE&JAM and kind of smooth down your edges before you brush it. A lot of people say just pat it down along the edges and then brush the product up. That kind of helps you to maintain how much product you're using. That way you're not piling a whole bunch of gel onto your edges. Cause baby, look, I need every inch of edge that I have. So here I'm just gonna rub some together and kind of smooth it through my hair before I get to brushing it. Y'all see my little puff getting big, girl. My husband did help me dye my hair, and he really did a good job, and I really like how it came out. I was like 3 different colors at first, and I just had to go back to black, that way once I'm doing all these hairstyles and stuff, it's not hard for me to find hair. And I think I was mostly just tired of the blonde, the brown, and the bronze. Like, it was just really killing me and getting on my nerves, girl. I just had to let it go. So here I'm just going to be putting my hair into a high ponytail. Make sure here that your ponytail is centered. You don't want your ponytail to be lopsided, because then, it's just not going to come out right. You're just going to have to start all the way over. And who wants to do that? Okay, so here you're going to be seeing me kind of put my puff ball like folded down and then put another scrunchie over it, which I wish I wouldn't have done that. You're going to see towards the end that I'm going to have a lot of trouble trying to get the hair to stick over the bun. So my suggestion to you guys would be to braid that part down and then pin it down with a bobby pin. And here is where I'm using the Got To Be glue to kind of swoop my edges at the front. Like I said, this did leave some white residue at the end of the day, which looked very, very horrible. I had to take the whole ponytail down and, girl, moisturize it and like really comb that stuff out, because it like really messed up my hairstyle, and I was really, 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 really mad. But like I was saying about the ponytail, it's best to either braid it down or kind of swoop it down to where you can bobby pin it like flat, because like I said, you're gonna watch towards the end like what I was really talking about. Okay, to help lay your edges down, you could use a black strip, white strip, any kind of hair strip, or you can use your hair tie. That way your edges can like lay flat if you have natural hair. Let it stay for like 5 or 10 minutes, and then from there, you just start to crochet the hair. I'm just showing you guys how the bounce is, how the curl is, and stuff like that. Here I'm going to take the tape off, and then you're going to see me kind of start to crochet the hair in. Everything here is from here is kind of self-explanatory. So just stay tuned. I know you guys don't want to hear me talk throughout the whole video. Okay, so I put one crochet going all the way across towards the front, all the way around the ponytail. That way, you guys can see me style it later and kind of see what they did, you know, putting it all the way around the top ponytail. So from here, I'm just going to crochet one piece down each braid. I'm also going to put some on top, well, not on top, but you're going to crochet some of the hair to the top of the braid where the braid starts. That way you're not seeing your line and you're also not seeing where the braid actually starts. So yeah, from here you're going to see me kind of finish the hairstyle, so just keep watching. Okay, y'all, my phone died, so y'all gonna see me kind of switch from the back to the front. Okay, from here you're going to kind of break up, well, divide each curl in half. I didn't because I was kind of in a rush and me and my husband was like ready to go. But from here you're gonna see me just put it in different ways to kind of hide that bun. Just different ways that you can style it or whatnot. Be sure to have bobby pins because I only had found like 2 bobby pins, which is crazy because I always have bobby pins on hand. But um, just watch the rest of the video, see different ways you guys can style this easy protective style if you're natural, or you know, a 10-minute style that you can do if you're going somewhere. I really appreciate everybody that has subscribed to my channel. We have a lot of content coming. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like this video, also comment, let me know in the comment box what you guys want to see next. Share, repost, help us get to 100 subscribers. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.